I love vegetables, and I know not everyone does, but they're fucking wrong. If you have picky eaters and you want to broaden their veg intake, try this recipe. It's colorful and delicious, with cabbages, carrots, onions, scallions, and rice paper. The dish's inherent colorfulness is visually enticing to even the most discerning young palates. Encased in rice paper wrappers, these ingredients create a delightful textural contrast, culminating in a satisfying crunch fest with every bite. This recipe not only subtly introduces a variety of vegetables, but also transforms them into a delicious and exciting culinary experience that is likely to become a family favorite. And you dip it into a delicious sauce. Who doesn't love dipping? When I dip, you dip, we dip. Make your kitchen magic and make this. Just looking at this, I just know it's going to be super crunchy and super messy. Okay, I love it. Here we go. But this is so good. Let's eat.